Have you ever used an AI tool to write an ebook, only to realize you still needed a sales page, a website, a checkout system, email marketing, social media content, and a way to actually sell it? That's the problem with most AI ebook tools. They help you create the book, but they leave you to build the business on your own. Well, today I'm reviewing a brand new AI platform called eBookBiz AI, and it claims to do something completely different. Instead of just writing your ebook, it says it can build an entire ebook business around it, from your store and funnel to emails, social media content, video promos, audiobook assets, and even podcast content, all from a single niche idea. So, does it actually deliver? Let's find out. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I regularly review the latest AI software, affiliate marketing tools, and online business products so you can decide whether they're actually worth your money. And as always, if you decide to pick up eBookBiz AI through my link below this video, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package completely. Free.bonus number 1, ChatGPT Book Writing Prompt Pack. Bonus number 2, KDP SEO and Keyword Research Prompts for ChatGPT Bonus number 3, 200 plus. Profitable Book Ideas Pack, KDP Niches. Bonus number 4, Top 20 AI Tools. Bundle with links. 2026 Bonus number 5, Canva Book Cover. Template. These bonuses are designed to help you get even better results with this product. So make sure to check the first link in the description after watching this review. Now let's jump straight in. What is eBookBiz AI? eBookBiz AI is not just another AI writing tool. It's an AI-powered platform designed to help you build an entire digital business around a single ebook idea. And honestly, that's what makes this product interesting, because creating an ebook is actually the easy part. The difficult part starts after you've finished writing. You still need somewhere to sell it. You need a professional sales page, a checkout page, a lead generation, funnel, email, follow-up sequences, marketing, content, short-form videos, social media posts, and all the other assets that turn a simple PDF into an actual online business. That's exactly the gap eBookBiz AI is trying to solve. Instead of giving you only an AI writer, it starts with your niche idea, creates your ebook, then helps generate everything around it. According to the creators, the platform can help build your ebook, create an online store, generate sales pages, prepare checkout pages, write email campaigns, produce social media content, create promotional video scripts, and even repurpose your content into audiobook and podcast assets, all from one connected dashboard. So rather than using 5 or 10 different tools for every step, everything is designed to work together inside one workflow. Now, obviously, those are some pretty big claims. Let's see exactly how this system works.
No idea how to turn that PDF into a real business. No store, no checkout, no funnel, no email follow-up, no social content, no video promos, no lead magnet, no way to package it, promote it, or sell it properly. And that is why so many ebooks end up sitting inside Google Drive, Canva folders, or hard drives, doing absolutely nothing. Because here's the truth. An ebook alone is not a business. An ebook without a store cannot collect payments. An ebook without a funnel cannot capture leads. An ebook without emails cannot follow up. An ebook without traffic content has no promotion engine. And an ebook without a real offer is just another file. That is why we created eBookBiz AI, the AI-powered ebook business engine that turns one simple niche idea into a complete ebook-based business system in minutes. Not just the ebook, the business around the ebook. Here is how it works. You enter a
Welcome to the audiobook edition of the 30-Day Busy Professional Home Fitness Plan, written by Emma Brooks. Narration voiced by Matthew Narrator Engine.
Niche idea. Something like weight loss for busy moms, AI tools for small business owners, dog training for new puppy owners, productivity for remote workers, or any niche you want. eBookBiz AI helps create the title, subtitle, reader avatar, transformation promise, chapter structure, and complete ebook direction. Then it helps generate the ebook itself. But this is where eBookBiz AI becomes different. Most AI ebook tools stop there. eBookBiz AI continues. It takes that same ebook and builds the entire digital product ecosystem around it. Your ebook store, your product page, your sales page, your checkout page, your thank you page, your download page, your lead magnet, your funnel, your follow-up emails, your abandoned cart emails, your affiliate swipes, your 30-day social content campaign, your TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts ideas, your video promo scripts, your audiobook assets, and even your podcast content. Everything is built around the same niche, same audience, same promise, and same ebook. So instead of jumping between 10 different AI tools, or hiring writers, designers, copywriters, funnel builders, email marketers, and video script writers, you can build the core assets from one connected dashboard. And you can also upload existing content, old PDFs, PLR reports, guides, manuscripts, training material. eBookBiz AI can scan the content, find the hidden business potential inside it, and help turn it into a more complete ebook business asset. That means you can start from a new idea or revive content you already have. And this is powerful whether you are a creator, coach, freelancer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, PLR user, author, course creator, or complete beginner. You do not need to be an author. You do not need to be a designer. You do not need to be a funnel expert. You do not need to be technical. You just need one niche idea. And during this special launch, you can get eBookBiz AI today for just $12 one time. No monthly fees, commercial license included, future updates included. Plus, you also get access to premium AI business bonuses during this launch. And your purchase is protected by a full 30-day risk-free guarantee. So there is no risk in trying it today. The old way was slow, expensive, and confusing. Write the ebook, build the store, create the funnel, write the emails, plan the traffic, script the videos, create the audio, build the podcast content, figure everything out yourself. The new way is simple. One idea, one ebook, one store, one funnel, one traffic system, one complete AI-powered ebook business engine. So if you have ever wanted to create ebooks, sell digital products, build niche assets, create lead magnets, promote affiliate offers, or create ebook packages for clients, this is your chance to move faster. Click the button below now. Get eBookBiz AI today and start turning one simple niche idea into a complete AI-powered ebook business.
Pricing and funnel. Let's talk about pricing. At the time I'm recording this review, eBookBiz AI is available for a special launch price of just $12 as a one-time payment. According to the sales page, this introductory price is only available during the launch period and may increase later. The purchase also includes commercial license, future updates, beginner training, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it with relatively low risk if it doesn't meet your expectations. As with most Launchpad products, there will likely be optional one-time offers after checkout. These upgrades aren't mandatory. I usually recommend watching the sales video and deciding whether you actually need them based on your goals. My final verdict: so is eBookBiz AI worth buying? Here's my opinion. If you're simply looking for another AI writing tool, there are already plenty of options available. But if you're looking for a platform that helps you go beyond writing and organize the entire process of launching an ebook business, from planning and creation to funnels, emails, traffic content, and promotional assets, then eBookBiz AI offers a much broader workflow than a typical AI ebook writer. I especially think this could be useful for affiliate marketers, coaches, content, creators, freelancers, agencies, PLR users, beginners wanting to sell digital products overall. I'd say this is one of the more interesting AI business tools released recently because it focuses on building the business around the ebook rather than stopping after the writing process. If you want to check out eBookBiz AI for yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. And remember, if you purchase through my link, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. I've put together bonuses that can help you get even more value from eBookBiz AI and speed up your online business journey. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my latest AI software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.